welcome to Superwowstyle. This is Prachi, and yes, since you guys requested me for it, here is a very quick DIY recipe for the summer season. I know it's getting like really hot suddenly everywhere, and everybody's worried about suntan, pollution, and most importantly, what that sweat does to your face. You can leave home all nice, happy, and glowing, but you cannot come back home without your skin looking dull with all the sweat. So here is a very simple DIY, and yes, guys, when I say simple, I mean simple. I'm not using like 10,000 ingredients and calling it simple. I'm just using 3 ingredients. So these 3 ingredients, well, let's look at them. The first ingredient is milk. If possible, use unpasteurized milk, which is milk that has not been boiled before. And also, if possible, make sure that the milk is cold, because you know, when you're using cold milk on your face, it really suits your skin and it also just makes you feel really relaxed. So yes, the first ingredient is milk, and the next ingredient is gram flour or besan, like it's called in Hindi. And talking about Hindi, guys, by the way, I also have made this video in Hindi, so I'll put the link down in the description box below so you can check it out. And yes, so these are the first 2 ingredients which chances are you already have in your kitchen. And for the last ingredient, well, you probably don't already have it at home, but guys, it's such a good ingredient, you will have to use it. And that is called Kasturi Manjal or white turmeric, or like it's called in Hindi, Kasturi Haldi. I don't know why I'm turning this video into a language lesson, guys. It's probably because I just filmed my Hindi video, so like, you know, I'm getting confused with all the languages in my head. But yes, this is wild turmeric, and wild turmeric is a great ingredient. This is a great ingredient which girls in South India use a lot, and these girls know their beauty tricks, okay? So as you guys know, in South India, it's like, it tends to be like really hot here. The summers are crazy hot, and you know, it's just insane. So this is what these girls use, and it really gives you a healthy glowing skin if you use this ingredient regularly. And for all those of you who are wondering if wild turmeric is the same as a regular turmeric that you eat, you know, in your food that's there in your kitchen, no guys, wild turmeric is slightly different. It has better, bigger, more awesome beauty benefits. The regular turmeric is okay for your regular DIYs, but wild turmeric is something which you have to use, especially if your skin is getting really irritated during the summer season. So well, as you can guess, what we are going to do is we are going to mix all of these ingredients together and form a smooth paste. However, one important tip that I would like to share here, guys, is that please don't use too much of wild turmeric. Now, of course, this depends, you know, it varies from brand to brand. Some brands, when you buy wild turmeric, it does not leave any color on your skin. And then there's some brands, when you use a wild turmeric, it just makes your face like all bright and yellow. By the way, if you want to know which products I'm using, I'll put the details in the description box below just for your reference. You can use whatever else you want to use, but since I get these questions, I'm just going to put the details in the description box below for the rest of you. And yes, we're just going to mix these ingredients. Go a little easy on the wild turmeric, especially if you're using it for the first time. And this is how you're going to use this paste, okay? So first, you obviously have to wash your face really well. That goes without saying. And after washing your face, use your regular rose water or toner. I'm going to be using a rose water today because I'm just in that kind of a mood today when I just want to use everything as natural as possible. And just clean up your face a little bit, tone your face using whatever you're using, whether rose water or toner. And then very gently apply this paste all over your face. Leave it on for about 5 to 7 minutes and then wash it off. Try to wash it off with cool water so that it can really make you feel relaxed and cool off your skin even better. And for all those of you who feel that, okay, you know, like for example, if you have oily skin, after using milk, you might feel that the skin is feeling a little sticky. You know, sometimes it can happen, especially if you have used too much of milk, or if you're using this DIY for the first time, you might need to see what formula, what, you know, thing works for you. Or if the wild turmeric has left a little bit of yellow color on your skin, don't worry. In those cases, what you can do is you can take your rose water or toner, whichever one you want to use, again on a cotton pad, and just wipe it off your skin very gently. That's it. And the last step is again completely optional, but I would definitely recommend this step for all those of you who are getting extremely irritated summer skin that just needs to relax and rejuvenate. What you can do is you can take an ice cube and rub it all over your face. Another suggestion that I have, sorry, a little off topic, but last year I made a video on how to make cucumber ice cubes, and that really relaxes your skin. It just gives you a very good feeling and it's really good for your skin. So if you have the time, if you have the patience, if you're having a spa day at home with your friends or something like that, you can totally check out the video. You can find out how to make cucumber ice cubes particularly, and you can use that as well. So you can use ice, you can use cucumber ice cubes. You can completely avoid using ice, that's totally up to you. And yes guys, that's about it. That was my very quick DIY for the day, and how you can use this DIY at home for beautiful glowing summer skin. Yes, I just said that, summer skin which is beautiful and glowing, because why not? And yes, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now, and bye bye. Bye. Okay.